Don't let the calm weather fool you, because parts of America could be facing a very different afternoon. Severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, heavy rain and flash flooding are possible across multiple regions today, while dangerous heat continues across the south. And the biggest question is this: where will the weather turn severe first? Good morning. Monday is bringing a complicated weather pattern across the United States, with storms and extreme heat happening at the same time. For millions of Americans, today could start warm and quiet, but conditions may become much more active as the afternoon develops. So here's what you need to know for today, tonight, and early Tuesday morning. The first major area, we're watching stretches from parts of the Midwest toward the central Appalachians. Parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and surrounding areas could see thunderstorms develop or intensify during the afternoon and evening. The strongest storms could bring damaging wind gusts, frequent lightning, torrential rainfall, and, in some locations, hail. And here's what makes today especially important. A storm doesn't have to last for hours to cause serious problems. A short period of extremely heavy rain can quickly flood roads, underpasses, and low-lying areas. If you're driving today and water begins covering the road, don't try to push through it. Turn around and find another route. Across the Midwest, the weather could change rapidly during the afternoon. Areas around Illinois, Indiana, Missouri, and nearby states need to keep a close eye on developing thunderstorms. Some storms may remain scattered, while others could organize into stronger clusters. The main concerns are damaging winds, heavy rainfall, lightning, and localized flooding. If you're planning outdoor activities today, don't rely on the morning forecast alone. Check the radar again before heading out, because the storm you don't see right now could be the storm that changes your plans just a few hours later. Now, let's move farther west. Parts of the northern and central plains could also see strong thunderstorms today. Areas of Nebraska, Oklahoma, and surrounding regions should remain alert for rapidly developing storms. The strongest cells could bring gusty winds, hail, heavy rain, and dangerous lightning. For anyone traveling across open areas, remember that lightning can become dangerous before the heaviest rain even arrives. If you hear thunder, get inside. Another area to watch is the southern Appalachians and the Carolina. Thunderstorms may develop during the afternoon and evening as warm, humid air fuels additional storm activity. Some storms could become strong, producing heavy downpours, gusty winds, and frequent light. Most locations will not experience severe weather, but the strongest storms could develop quickly. So if you have plans outside today, keep an eye on the sky and have a safe indoor location nearby. Now we move to the other major story of the day: extreme heat. Across much of the south and southeast, dangerous heat and humidity continue. Parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and the Carolinas may experience oppressive conditions. In some areas, the heat index can climb well above the actual temperature. And this is important. The danger doesn't end when the sun goes down. Some communities may remain unusually warm overnight, providing limited relief from the daytime heat. If you're working outside today, take regular breaks, drink plenty of water, stay in the shade or air conditioning whenever possible, and avoid unnecessary strenuous activity during the hottest part of the afternoon. Texas continues to be one of the places where heat remains a major concern. Some areas could see temperatures near or above 100 degrees, with humidity making conditions feel even hotter. At the same time, moisture could produce isolated showers or thunderstorms in some locations. But don't expect a thunderstorm to automatically end the heat. A storm may cool one neighborhood temporarily, while dangerous heat continues just a few miles away. Across Arizona, New Mexico, and the Southwest, monsoon moisture can continue producing afternoon and evening thunderstorms. The biggest concerns are heavy rainfall, lightning, strong wind gusts, and sudden flash flooding. Dry washes and normally quiet drainage channels can fill with water extremely quickly. And remember, the storm causing the flooding doesn't necessarily have to be directly over you. Rain falling upstream can send water rushing into areas that appear completely dry. Never drive through moving floodwater. Now let's look ahead to tonight. thunderstorms that develop across the Midwest and Central Appalachians could continue into the evening. Some storms may weaken after sunset, but others could remain capable of producing heavy rain, lightning, and strong winds. Where storms repeatedly move over the same locations, localized flooding could become a bigger concern. Across the southern Appalachians and Carolinas, isolated thunderstorms could also continue into the evening. Meanwhile, the south and southeast will remain warm and humid even after dark. For some communities, tonight may offer only limited relief from today's heat. By early Tuesday morning, many of the strongest thunderstorms should begin weakening, but leftover showers and storms could remain across portions of the Ohio Valley, Appalachians, and Mid-Atlantic. That means some commuters could wake up to wet roads, standing water, reduced visibility, and locally difficult driving conditions. Across the south, Tuesday morning will begin warm and humid, with temperatures climbing quickly after sunrise. So here's the big weather message for today. The Midwest could see strong thunderstorms, damaging winds, and heavy rain. The northern and central plains could see strong to severe storms during the afternoon and evening. The Ohio Valley and Central Appalachians face concerns for heavy rain, severe storms, and flash flooding. The Carolinas and southern Appalachians could see afternoon and evening thunderstorms. The south and southeast continue to face dangerous heat and humidity. And across the southwest, monsoon storms could produce heavy rain and sudden flooding. But here's the message you should remember today. A quiet morning does not mean a quiet day. The sky may look completely normal when you wake up, but as temperatures rise and storms develop, conditions can change in a matter of minutes. So before you head outside today, check the radar. Keep emergency weather alerts turned on. Stay hydrated in the heat. Get indoors when thunder approaches. And never drive through floodwater, because today's weather could change faster than you think. And being prepared before the storm arrives could make all the difference. Stay safe, stay weather aware, and keep watching conditions throughout Monday and tonight.